Alright, again. So, today we're gonna do a black cake. In Jamaica, we call it Christmas cake. So, this is the first time I'm gonna try it and let's see what happens. So, for do this cake, we need sultana, prune, raisin, and you need some cherry. Over there, you have the butter, self-raising flour, and you need eggs, but I'm using 8 eggs, but you can use 7, 6, 5, depends what you want to do, And you need wine, this wine, and you're gonna need a little Wray and nephew and cake browning, nutmeg, baking powder, cinnamon powder, and we're gonna do the cake. Let's do it. And do not forget the vanilla, just a little teaspoon. And all of these things we're gonna use is 1 cup cherry, 1 cup, and the flour is 1.5 cup of flour to do this cake. And don't forget your sugar. So we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of sugar, because the rest of the thing is already sweet and we don't want it too sweet, So we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of sugar, and that's it. And we have the butter there and everything ready, so let's do it. So this is the butter I'm using, 500 grams. I'm gonna use 3/4 of it baking butter for do the cake. After that, we're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of sugar. So now we're gonna combine the butter and the sugar together. I'm gonna use my hand with this spoon. I'm not gonna use the mixer. So now we blend up the fruits. So we're gonna be with the dry ingredients now. So I'm gonna add some cinnamon teaspoon to the flour, then a tablespoon of baking powder. So fruits blend, butter and sugar ready, dry ingredients ready. So we're just gonna sieve it. So now we sieve the flour. We're gonna add some nutmeg to it. Just half a teaspoon nutmeg. So now we are gonna put everything together now. I put a teaspoon of vanilla in this to give it a nice flavor, Yeah, man. Cake don't nice if you don't put some vanilla in it. So everything ready now. So we're just gonna put everything together and mix. So now we're gonna add some lemon juice to it. Just a tablespoon. I'm just trying a thing, I don't know what I'm doing. So I grated some lemon, so I'm just gonna throw a little in it too. So now we're gonna add some Wray and nephew to it, make it get fantastic. But you don't have to put no rum in it, you know, because some people don't drink alcohol, so you can do without putting the rum, you know. So now we're gonna add everything together. So we're just gonna put some egg first, then we're gonna add in some fruits, just a little bit, because you have to do it step by step. Now we're gonna add in the dry ingredients. First time making a cake. Let's see how it come out. So now we're gonna fold it in together. Mix it. So now we're gonna add everything into the mixing bowl. Let's do it. Wow. So now we're gonna add some butter to the pan to make the cake don't stick. Alright, the cake is finished mixed. And you can see it firm, not falling to the side. So cake is ready, so we're gonna put it in the baking tin now. And the oven is preheat. And we're gonna put is electric stove. So we're gonna put it 150 for 2 hours and then check on it later. So now we're adding it to the tin, then we're gonna put it in the oven and hope it works. This cake is a 10-inch cake, you know, man, massive. So now we're gonna put the cake in the oven and hope for the best. So now the cake is in the oven. We're gonna check on it next 2 hours. Alright, hour and a half later and the cake is rising. So we're just gonna give it half more hour and then check on it again. So the time is here. So I'm gonna test the cake, make sure it is fantastic. As you can see, everything is good. So you can see after 2.5 hours, the cake is ready. So I'm gonna make it cool down and then I remove it from the baking tin. And then I'm gonna cut it and make you see what it look like. Alright. The cake is ready now. So we're just gonna base it with some wine and rum. Give it that last touch, you know. What do you think about that? So this is the real cake. This is the real cake, but this is the tester. So we're just gonna get it nice and, you know. So this is my first cake ever make without have to go to the cake school. So this is the tester. We do the tester in a pirate dish and it come out perfect. So I would give myself a 7 out of 10, you know? And it's a 10-inch cake. So I'm gonna cut the tester one, let you can see it. That made it fantastic, you know? Lovely. So now I'm gonna have a little bite and see what it's like, you know? Mm, fantastic. Mm, the bad man. But me did want it a little darker, but it come out perfect. I can work with this for the time, cause it's the first one, you know. Cause you have to practice before you come perfect. That's it. So remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Mr. Bless Lifestyle. I'm out. All I need is good energy. So later on, we're gonna eat cake and drink beer.